Hello, Xanavi.net and Infiniti QX60 2013 year with the low trim level infotainment system. So this system is absolutely useless for the motor driver as an entertainment system. It doesn't have the touch screen, the display resolution is very low, it doesn't have navigation, voice recognition, Bluetooth audio, and so on. So today we want to show you our upgrade. So we will get in this car original, the highest trim level system with Bluetooth, navigation, touchscreen, and so on. We installed plug and play. We designed the special exclusive wiring harness, so the installation will be done without the car's wiring cut and without any functions loss. So the kit includes the main high resolution display, original Nissan Infiniti, the system control panel, as it doesn't have the buttons for the navigation control, the head unit, original too, and the wiring harness for plug and play. So if you are the user of this car, I bet you know how does the interface looks. So few languages, the radio, fuel consumption and economy menu. So just the system for the information. So let's go to the final result. Well, the work is done. We successfully installed this system. Everything work, the climate control, touch screen, everything work without any problems. The Navi maps, road, destination, Bluetooth audio, fuel consumption, and so on. So was changed the display, the system control panel. Now you can see the difference between them. The old one doesn't have the cameras buttons. To the new system you can connect cameras. Now it doesn't work because the camera was not connected and installed yet, but we will do that. It doesn't have the phone button, so it looks as a design same, but the functions are different. Everything worked without any losses. Also in the glove box we installed the USB input for playing audio and video files. And to this system you can install additional devices like Android unit, CarPlay box. So the system is absolutely same as in QX60 maximal trim level. If you want to do the same with your car, please feel free to contact us. Our contacts you can find in the description. Many thanks for watching, stay safe, and bye bye.